Hey guys, Kevin here from the SolidCAM University channel. I know a lot of you guys have been wondering where have I been, but I've actually been out in the field farming. So we'll kind of bring you through today and kind of show you what I'm doing today, and kind of show you the ins and outs of the tractor. And because I know a lot of you guys were kind of curious about that. Currently, we're just moving to a new field right now. Probably be at this field for the next. It's about 350 acres, and we'll probably be here or I'll be tilling here for, probably 15, 16 hours. So you can see behind me, I'm running the chisel plow behind me. We're just going down the road, switching over to fields. But yeah, just want to give you guys an update and kind of let you guys know where things are at. And I want to apologize for not having a recent video. Talk to you guys later. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is I'm going to be setting up my track. So you'll see I'm in the field right here, and you guys can see a little bit of snow out in the field, but I'll set my track A here, and it's telling me just to drive 49 feet, so I'll just drive forward here. And now it's activated my guidance, or my GPS. So now what we need to do is just fold down our chisel plow and start chisel plowing. Alright, so now that we got our GPS all set up here, what we need to do is get everything lowered down. So over here is all my hydraulic controls. I have 6 different controls right here. The only 2 that I'm really using is my up, down right here, and this is for my wings. So if I go ahead and press this down right now, you'll see that my wings are unfolding. I know the window's pretty dirty. It's been pretty muddy out here. Alright, so now our wings are completely down. And basically what we need to do is set the ripper down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get going a little bit, get some momentum going so I don't stall the tractor, and we'll get the ball rolling here. We'll be running 7th gear, about 1800 RPMs. And what I can do is just set up my auto steer right here. So it's telling me that it's following the track. And then now what I'll do is go ahead and lower down the ripper, or the chisel plow. Now we're chisel plowing. It's a little wet out here, and like I said, you guys can kind of see the snow out here. But going forward now, I don't have to steer, so I can actually just take and move my steering wheel up. And this field is about 400 acres, almost a mile long, and it's kind of farming. So I'll just kind of bring you throughout the day today. All right, guys. So we've got a little bit of acreage done out here, but about every hour or two we want to go and check to make sure our chisel blades aren't broke off or haven't hit any rocks or anything like that. So you can see back here that we're still doing a good job back there. Everything's looking good, but what we'll do is go back and do kind of a manual inspection just to make sure everything's going. So what I'll do here is just kind of pause this real quick, put it in park. And then what we'll do is go ahead and raise everything up here. Then we'll go out and take a peek, and then you guys can kind of see what it looks like from the outside of the tractor. Alright, let's get you guys flipped around here. This is the tractor that we're running. It's a John Deere 9570 RT track machine. Those weights up front are about as tall as I am, and I'm 6'1", so it gives you a little size comparison on how big this machinery is here. But like I said, we're just going to go around and check the points, make sure we're not missing any or anything is damaged throughout it. Well, everything looks good from what I can tell, so we'll go ahead and hop back in the tractor and definitely a little bit quieter in here, but yeah, we'll keep continuing on. One thing I was going to show you guys is everything, like I said before, it's all done by GPS, but you'll see like right now we're running in gear 8 at 5.1 miles an hour. Now, on an old school tractor, what we'd have to do is push the clutch in and shift the gears, but with this newer stuff here, here's my shifter right here. All I have to do is if I want to bump a gear up, all I have to do is just tap it. And so just by doing that, we shifted into 10th gear, and we're going now 6.2 miles an hour. So you can kind of see the track that I'm doing right here. I can go through and see we're about using about 1,150 horsepower right here. We're burning around. Oh, I'm getting actually stuck here in the mud. You can kind of see it. That's why it's beeping at me. We'll just raise up just a little bit here. There, now we're out of the mud. And so you can see I'm burning about between 20 to 30 gallons an hour. I can kind of go through and see all the different parameters of my machine here, of what's going on. I can set up different custom screens. So now I'm getting kind of towards the end, so all I really have to do is hit this number 1 button down here, and you'll see that it's turning around and lifting up for us. So you can see we're turning around, and now it's automatically lowering back down here. Get you switched around here. So it knows when we get to the end of the road to automatically pick up, turn around, and drop the chisel plow back down and keep continuing on. So you can see we got, I don't know if you guys can see, the windows are pretty dirty. It's because it's been so muddy over here. But we got about that far done. And this field is probably close to almost a mile long. I'm getting stuck again here, so I'll just have to raise up just a little bit. And yes, even the track machines definitely do get stuck in these muddy conditions. So just keep continuing on. And when you guys are farming, or when we're farming away, we're still working on SolidCAM stuff. Got one computer here set up, and got another computer over here set up, along with the John Deere computer system. So when you guys are still emailing me, even though I'm out of the office out in the middle of no man's land, this is how I'm able to email you guys back and get you guys up and going with your questions. Just thought I would share that with you guys. And one thing I did forget to tell you guys is this field was a sugar beet field. So every once in a while you'll see some sugar beets out on the field, and that's what was planted here, which they turn into sugar. So just wanted to give you guys that update. Well, day or night, we still are chisel plowing. You can see back there, got some good light for back there. You can kind of see over there is completely done. Still got over here to still do, but kind of give you guys a night view of what it looks like here. Pretty good lights in this tractor. It really lights up things. But so I gotta show you guys what it's we'll be doing till about 3 o'clock in the morning, and we'll start again at about 6 o'clock in the morning. So